the date is not officially ticking over till the 12th of February, you still have got a little bit of time to change and move your cures and enhancers. So there's not a lot of products here today. Over the years, I've been less and less inclined to recommend products. I don't believe you need a lot of products to actually feng shui your home. You should be able to do it from element and colours, and simply by making sure that you've got all the negative flying stars covered. If you do have products and enhancements at home and you would like to cleanse them and clear them before you replace them, the best thing to do is maybe not tonight since it's going to be raining, but you place them outside. So put them outside on a table and allow them to have 24 hours of sunlight and moonlight. Okay? That will actually cleanse them, and then you can bring them inside and put them back in place. Obviously your salt water cures, if you have salt water cures in the home, you simply discard them. Do not empty them out. Do not clean the vases, okay? You pick them up and you throw them in the bin. Throw them out and then start afresh with your salt water cures. And you can make these changes any time between now and the 12th of February. Okay, so don't panic. You have got a little bit of time. And January's flying stars weren't that bad that we've got a concern with changing your remedies in the meantime.